Customer has brought this BMW panel in. It's from a pannier pack on a BMW motorcycle, and he dropped it. So I need to fix it all for him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some guide coat just so I can see where I'm sanding away. You can see all the scratches now. And it just, when it's something white like this, having a guide coat definitely helps using it. So I'm going to sand that now with some 120 I'm going to go in with, because I want to do a really quick cut. So just going to use some Garuda 120 on the sander. You can see by using the guide coat, I can see already where I've sanded away. Spread a bit more on there. And I can see the dark areas where it's still really deep and I need to get that. So I've got almost all of those scratches out. What I'm going to do now is use some tape just to make sure I'm following the swage line correctly, and I'm going to now drop down to a 180 grit sanding paper. Actually, I'll probably drop to 240 and skip out the 180. And I'm going to go to 240. That's come out really nicely. Just got a little bit more to do here. And now I'm going to switch the tapes around, mask up the other side. And repeat this process on this side. Got a little bin in there. So what's happening here is not only is this tape protecting the swage line now, but it's also allowing me to know where I need to sand. So let's put a little bit more guide coat, just see what we're dealing with. I'm pretty sure we've now got rid of all the scratches and I can put it into being primed. So finally what I need to do is, because it's got this swage line's got a rounded edge to it and I've actually now made it a sharp edge, what I need to do is just smooth that off. I'm just going to use some 240, it's a old Super SLX sheet. And we'll just, because it's a soft block on one side and a stiff block on the other, we'll just use the soft block side. So I've just got some solvent degreaser here, which I'll spray on so you can see the finish. Hopefully you can catch that. So you can see I've sanded out all the scratches. We've got the nice curvature back into that swage line. Remember I said to you it was sharp where I'd sanded this side and sanded that side. So just using that 240 Super SLX on the foam, on the candy block, that just smooths it all out. And gives me the shape that I wanted. Yeah, all right, really happy with that. Give it a wipe down.